Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check when a TikTok video was posted even if the date isn't visible in the app. The easiest way is directly inside the TikTok app. Open the video and look just below the content or next to the creator's username. In most cases, TikTok displays the upload date there, sometimes separated by a small dot. This works for the majority of videos. However, some creators hide the upload date using privacy or display settings. If you don't see a date, there are still reliable ways to find it. One option is using third-party tools that extract upload timestamps from the video link. Tools like the TikTok Date Extractor by Trevor Fox can decode the video URL and reveal the exact posting time. Another method works on desktop browsers. Open TikTok in a browser, right-click on the video, and choose Inspect to open developer tools. Inside the code, you can often find a timestamp linked to the video. These timestamps are usually in Unix format, which you can convert into a readable date using free online converters. This is especially useful because TikTok often shows older videos on the For You page. Knowing the real upload date gives you better context about when the content was actually created.